Android Auto helps you safely use your favorite Android apps while you're driving. Setting up Android Auto on your Acura is simple, and you can use wireless or wired connectivity. For best results, make sure your Android phone is using the latest software. To connect by USB cable, connect the cable to your vehicle's USB port and to the Android phone. Once plugged in, select Enable Android Auto. You can also choose to enable Acura Link Assist. You may need to go to Location Settings on the Android and allow access for maps. To use wireless connectivity, select Android Auto, then select Connect New Device. Turn on Bluetooth on your Android phone. Then search for the name of your vehicle on the phone's screen and select it. It may also appear as Hands-Free Link. If a pairing code appears, confirm that the number is the same and select Pair on your phone and on the vehicle screen. You may need to go to Location Settings on the Android and allow access for maps. Answer yes to the question on your vehicle screen, would you like to enable Android Auto? And if you want to remove your phone from wireless Android Auto use, go to Settings, then Connections, then Android Auto, then select your phone. You can then select Disconnect or select Options, then select Delete. Select Delete. To exit the Android Auto screen, select the Acura logo or press the home screen button. Connecting to and using Android Auto is just one of Acura's amazing technology features. To learn more about Android Auto and the entire Acura lineup, visit the Acura Info Center at acurainfocenter.com.